Okay, so in the previous class we have created two methods, set name and get name for the name field. So these methods are called setters and getters in a common language, and its real names are accessors and mutators. So accessors and mutators actually do set the value and get the value of the field. So if you are using PHP store, so you can create these methods very easily. Just click Alt and Insert key, and you can see getters and setters. So I will click getters and setters. You can see the fields here, age and gender, and you cannot see the name field here because we have created methods for this field, and we don't have methods for the age and gender, so we can see that. So for example, I choose the age and click OK. So getters and setters, both these methods will be created in just one click. As you can see, get age method is created and return this age. The value of the age is returned. Now we have the second method, set age, and we have a parameter similarly like this method. Okay, and this is assigned to the age field. Okay, so that's very easy. Now you can also assign give the same thing for the gender field. Try that, do it, and practice on it. Okay, that's it for this class now. Bye. Thank